keycaps is one of the easiest ways to personalise a keyboard, but ceramic keycaps take that idea to a new level. With their glossy finish and satisfying weight, they're not just about looks, they promise a more refined typing experience. But are they all style and no substance, or do they actually bring something meaningful to your setup? I've been spending some time using this V2 set from Cerakey to see if the hype is more than just surface deep. Just for transparency, I should say that Cerakey did send me these keycaps to test, but they've had zero input or influence on this review. So when you order from the Cerakey website, you have a load of different colours to choose from. I went with a natural green, which has a calm, earthy tone that contrasts beautifully against lighter keyboard bases. You can also choose if you want the keycaps to have legends or be completely blank. I went for the blank option for the cleanest look. Now you may be wondering how practical blank keycaps actually are, and the answer is, not particularly. You'd need to be a confident touch typist to use them for serious work, so it's fair to say most people choose them for aesthetic reasons. And on that front, they really do look incredible. The set is priced at $150, which puts it firmly in the premium category, though there's often a 10% discount available if you time it right. For that price, you're getting a complete set of 114 keycaps neatly arranged in 2 trays and ready to cover most keyboard layouts with ease. I installed them on my Womier SK65 V2, which runs linear MX style switches. I must say that purely from a visual standpoint, the beige board and blank green keycaps are a winning combination. What immediately stands out is how different ceramic feels when compared to standard ABS or PBT plastic keycaps. These caps are cool to the touch, incredibly smooth, and feel noticeably more solid. The ceramic shells are paired with ABS plastic stems on this V2 set, an upgrade from the original version that improves durability without compromising feel. No matter what board or switches you use, installing ceramic keycaps will give your typing a deeper, more satisfying sound profile. In terms of typing experience, these keycaps are fantastic. I did worry that glossy ceramic keycaps might be slightly slippery in use, but that hasn't been the case at all. There's no slide or misfiring here, just smooth, consistent keystrokes. So to conclude, are these premium keycaps worth your money? Well, if you're a keyboard enthusiast, or someone who just appreciates premium design and performance, I'd say yes. They're not a necessity, but they absolutely elevate both the look and feel of your setup. The build quality is excellent, the typing experience is genuinely enjoyable, and the aesthetics are on another level. At around $150, they're a fairly serious investment, but it's one that feels justified. Their craftsmanship and timeless design suggest they'll remain a standout part of your setup for years to come. And that's a wrap for this video. I hope it helped you out. Like and subscribe for more tech reviews. You can also find me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.